Your child's struggling with a persistent cough that won't go away? Then this remedy might be just what you need. Today, I'll show you how to prepare a powerful natural solution that will provide relief in just minutes. You'll need 1 orange. Cut off the top and remove the center or pulp. Oranges are excellent for soothing coughs as they reduce inflammation and disinfect the bronchial tubes. Once the pulp is removed, place the orange over a flame on your stove. Add a pinch of salt if your child is between 2 and 5 years old. For children over 5, use half a teaspoon. Also add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix. Now heat the mixture until it darkens and starts to boil. Once it boils for a few seconds, it's ready. Let it cool for a minute, then add a spoonful of honey. Give it to your child in the morning and at night for 3 days.